Namaste Vidya. I, GVN Nishu Sharma, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Department of Science and Technology. Today our topic is what is the application of computer graphics, why we use and where we use. So basically application of computer graphics are used in education and training, flight simulator, use in biology, computer generated maps, architect, presentation graphic and many more places. So in terms of education and training, computer generate model of the physical, financial and the economic system, which is often used as an educational aid. Model of the physical system, the psychological system, population trend and or equipment can help trainees to understand the operation of the system. So for some training application, particular system are designed, for example, flight simulator. Flight simulator, it helps in a giving training to the pilot of airplanes. These pilots spend much of their training not in a real aircraft but on the ground at the control of a flight. So that is the advantage. First one, fuel saving, safety, ability to familiarize the training with a large number of the world's airports. Second, use in a sector of biology, molecular biologists can display a picture of a molecule and gain insight into their structure with the help of computer graphics. Third, computer generate map, town planner and transportation engineer can use a computer generated map which display data useful to them in their planning work. In terms of architect can explore an alternative solution to design problem at an interactive graphics terminal. In this way, they can test many more solutions that would not be possible without the computer. The fifth one is presentation graphic. Example of presentation graphics are bar chart, line graph, pie chart, and other displaying showing which showing the relationship between multiple parameter. So presentation graphics is commonly used to summarize first one, financial reports, statistical report, mathematical report, scientific report, economical data for research report, managerial reports, consumer information bulletin, and the other types of report. The sixth one, computer arts. Computer graphics are also used in the field of commercial art. It is used to generate television and advertising commercials. Seventh one is entertainment. Computer graphics are now commonly used in making motion pictures, music videos, and television show. Eighth one is visualization. It is used for visualization of scientists, engineer, medical personnel, business analyst for the study of a large amount of information. And the ninth one is educational software. Computer graphic is used in the development of educational software for making computer aided instruction. Printing technology. Computer graphic is used for printing technology and textile design. The example of computer graphics packages are Logo, Corel Draw, AutoCAD, 3D Studio Code, GKS, that means graphics kernel system, PHIGS, CAM, graphics metafile, CGI, computer graphics interface. These all are the example of computer graphics package. So I hope आपको इस वीडियो में क्लियर हुआ होगा what is the application of computer graphics. If you have any query, any doubt, then mention me on the comment box. Thank you for watching us. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you.